friends, today we are going to start a new lesson in foundational skills. We are going to look at consonant blends. More specifically, we are going to be working with 2 and 3 letter blends. Now, think about what is a consonant. If you said that a consonant is any word that is not a vowel, and remember our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y, then you were correct. For example, a consonant that I'm thinking of could be BR, like for the blend burr. This blend could be found in the word break. We are going to look at some of these examples of how consonant blends can be used in 2 and 3 letter combinations. Ready? Here we go. Let's look at this first picture. What is this a picture of? A train. I want you to say the beginning of the word train with me. Ready? Tur. Do you hear the tur sound? The T and the R are the 2 consonants that work together to make the tur sound. See if you can think of any other words that might start with the sound tur. I came up with the words trap, like I'm going to trap a stray kitten and take it in. And try. Remember to always try to do your best. Do you hear that same consonant blend tur in train, trap, and try? These 2 letters work together to make the same sound. Let's look at the next word. This is the word swing. Say the word with me. Swing. Now, what 2 letters do you see in the beginning of the word swing? S-W. The S and the W work together to make the sound swa. Swa. Say that with me. Swa. Swing. I could think of a couple other words that have the swa sound in them. I could swat a fly, and I could swap out a can of beans at the store if they are yucky and I don't like them. The next word that I have is glue. Say the word with me. Glue. What 2 letters do you hear at the beginning of the word glue? I hear a G and an L that work together to make the gl sound. Make that sound with me. Gl. Do you see how these 2 consonants come before a vowel? Glue. It works together to make a certain sound. All right. I have some words for you that we are going to practice. I have the word stir. I'm going to model for you what you're going to be doing in just a second. Okay? The first word is stir. What sound do you hear in the beginning of the word stir? If you said st, st with the letters ST, then you were correct. I also can think of the words R, M, and ick as words that also have the same consonant blend st, where the S and the T work together to make the st sound. Okay, ready for your task? Just like I modeled for you, you are going to read the words with your learning guide. And then you are going to identify or tell what 2 words work together to make the consonant blend? Well, I'm going to do the first one for you as a reminder. Ready? The first word is flaw. So I read the word, that's the first thing. The second thing I do is I identify that the F and the L are the letters that are working together. That's step 2. Step 3, I'm going to make the sound that F and L make. Ready? Foo. All right, I'm going to do it one more time for you. Flaw. F-L. Foo. Got it? All right, pause this video, and with your learning guides, I would like you to read and practice with the next 7 words, and then replay this video when you are ready to check your work. All right, friends. The next word on our list is frog. The F and the R work together to make the fur sound. Spin is our next word with the letters SP that make the sp sound. Blaze comes next with the letters B and L working together to make the boo blend. Drip. D and R work together to make the der combination. The next word on our list is sled. S and L work together to make the sl sound. Climb is our next word on our list, where the letters C and L work together to make the cool sound. Cool. And last but not least, the word smile has the letters S, M that work together to make the sm blend. Friends, you have done a great job today practicing and identifying 2 and 3 letter consonant blends. What I would like you to do is to complete page 118 in your Readers and Writers Journal with your learning guide. Great job today, friends.